Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're doing one of my favorite cars, 69 Z28 RS option, Fathom green, white stripes, restored back in early 2000s. Current owner owned it for the last 19 years. Hop on in, we'll do a cold start, we'll take it for a ride. All right, so here we are, 69 Camaro Z28 RS option, X33 under trim tag, which stands for the RS option. We'll do a cold start here. Give it one pump. Close this fan off. Oh yeah. Unmistakable American V8. 302 cubic inch. We will warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, so we got a little temperature in her. We'll take her through her paces here. Great exhaust note. Spectacular sport exhaust on the Z28 option. Really nice driving car. Collector owned for the last 19 years. Part of a large collection of cars. Feels really good. Great gauges. Good temps and pressures here. Really nice driving car. Again, not being biased, but definitely one of my favorites. We'll take her through the S's and we'll be back to you. All right, up through the S's here, feels good. Tremendous exhaust note. Clutch, gearbox, everything feels really good in this car. We'll come up here, drop jack off, and do some flybys. Hope you guys enjoyed those. Once again, I definitely did. Beautiful Fathom green, white stripes, green interior. Again, the RS package with the hideaway headlights. Restored early 2000s. Long-term collector ownership. We'll take her up to the farm road and open her up for you. All right. We got a great working AM radio there. Hideaway headlights work, wipers work. Get on it a little bit here, as you can hear it. Really pulls well. Feels good, solid. My goodness. I know I say this a lot, but I definitely do not want to go back to work right now. I just want to keep driving, but we have to. So like and subscribe below, comment as well. Hope you enjoyed this one. I definitely did.